channel. So if you're new, welcome. Today I am doing a self-care Sunday. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my skincare routine, how I do like my hair removal and everything, and then also how I do my moisturizing routine for my hair, because at least once a week I like to do treatments on my hair and put products in it and make sure that it's freshly washed and ready to go for the week. So if you guys want to see what I do for self-care, just keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram down below at lexiiixoxo. Just be sure to check out my previous videos. I have a Shein haul up for like winter outfits, and I also have a rubber band hairstyle with a sew-in in the back. So if you guys would like to see those, they will be linked down in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for face wash, this is like really empty right now, but this is what I use, the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. It's the pink grapefruit foaming scrub, and yeah, so that's what I do. I just get a little bit on my hands like this and then wash my face with it.
In that order.
So now that I have my face freshly washed, I like to start with some lip balm to make sure that my lips are moisturized, because the face wash can be very drying on your lips.
You heard me.
So this is the lip balm that I like to use. It's strawberry flavored. Right, and next I like to go in with my astringent. This is by Clinique, and this is actually a clarifying lotion, and it is the number 3, so it's the pink one. This one is for oily skin, and yeah, so this is what I use. It has like a pump that you could just apply a cotton pad to and push it down, and then the cotton pad will soak up all the product. So that is what I use, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on a cotton swab and put it all over my face. All this dirt that's left over is like the excess dirt and oil that was left on your skin from even after washing your face. So I always recommend with going in with like a clarifying lotion to clean off your face, because face wash doesn't clean it 100%. So I always recommend like a second cleaning product in your skincare routine. And next I'm gonna go ahead and do some makeup remover on my eyes, and I like to use the oil-free eye makeup remover. This is just the Target Up and Up brand. Yeah, so you shake it up, you put it on a cotton pad, and I like to go around my eyes and wipe off the excess mascara, because sometimes even after I wash my face I have like dark mascara marks still on my under eyes. So this just makes sure that I have no dark circles left over from makeup. Alright, then the last step in my skincare routine is using a moisturizer. Now that our face is really clean, really fresh, there's no makeup left. It can be very dry after stripping your face from all of the moisture, so we gotta re-moisturize with your favorite moisturizer, and I'm using a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel as my moisturizer, and this is the gel kind. They do have a lotion version of this moisturizer, but I like to use the gel kind because I do have oily skin. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take like a few pumps on my hand. I like to do 4 because I do have oily skin, and then I just rub it together like lotion and put it on my face. So now I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair into 4 sections. Alright, so now that I have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to start by brushing off this section first. The first moisturizing product we're going to start using is Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. I'm going to take a good amount and spread that all from my ends to my roots. Now that we got that product in, next I'm going to go in with the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Moisture and Shine Curl Activating Cream. I'm going to take a good amount of that and spread it from my ends to my roots again. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid the sections just to have them nice and organized and make sure my hair can stretch out. And now that I got that, repeat on every single section until your whole hair is moisturized and braided. my hair moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair out of the way, and we're gonna get into the waxing part of the self-care Sunday, and that is going to be my face. So my lip, my mustache, chin, and then eyebrows as well. So let's go ahead and get started with that. If you guys are not familiar with waxing, when you wax your face and like delicate areas like that, you're supposed to use hard wax, and that is exactly what I have in my wax warmer. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. Get some wax on a stick like this, and you just want to blow it and make sure that you don't burn yourself. And once you feel like it's a good enough temperature, you'll be able to see with how it moves on the stick. If it's like really liquidy and it's too hot, it'll move off the stick. If it's really thick, that means it's cooled down and you can apply it to your skin. So that is how you do it. I go down because my hair grows down, so you want to apply it in the direction of the hair and then rip it up the opposite direction. So when you have hard wax like this, you're supposed to create a little piece at the bottom so that you can grab, and that's what I have right here. And I'm just pressing it down, making sure it the wax sticks to all the hairs. And then once you feel like it's dry and it's not sticking to your finger anymore, you're gonna grab it and pull it up like that. And that is what it looks like. You should be able to see like the hair on the wax strip. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the lip. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on to the chin, and that is a little bit easier and it's less painful than the lip, so that's what we're going to do next. Alright y'all, so that, ooh, is there a little bit of wax right there? If you have like excess pieces of wax, just like take an old strip and then go like that and it'll take it off. So I was going to wax my brows, but it is really hard to do on camera. I really have to focus, especially because one brow is higher than the other. It's always been like that even before I started waxing my eyebrows, so that's just how they are. But I do try to even them out as much as possible, so it is kind of hard with the mirror that I have right here and then looking in the camera, so I just rather do that off camera. But yeah, so now that we did the hair, we did the skin routine, we did the waxing, that is the end of our our self-care Sunday, and I hope you guys enjoyed these little you know, self-care, self-maintenance routines that I did today in this video. If you did, let me know what your favorite self-maintenance and self-care thing to do is, whether you do it on Sunday, whether you do it every Monday, whether you do it every day, every week. Just let me know what your favorite thing to do is to relax and take care of yourself. It could be skincare, hair, doing your nails, anything. So let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe so that I can see you guys in my next videos, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So that will be weekly. Sometimes I will upload more than one video in a week as well. So yeah, I'm trying to be more consistent and upload at least once a week. So yeah, follow me on Instagram below. My Instagram is the same name as my YouTube, lexiiixoxo, and I will go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Bye.